Coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was down at the 2023 World of Wheels Birmingham, and I came across this very cool 1950 GMC C64. Used to be a fire truck, now it's a street truck. I think you're gonna dig it. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
He's out of Birmingham. He's the one that started this project, you know what I mean? His name was Danny McGee.
Yeah, how did it all get started?
Well, Danny McGee, that's him in one of them pictures right there. I put it out there, you know what I mean? They owned, back in the 80s, they owned a lot of McGee Automotive. They owned a shitload of car lots down here, man. They controlled it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Made a bunch of money, used car business back in the day. Kind of got out and started on the fire truck project, and just one thing led, and about 7 years, and back and forth, and you know, then we finished different stuff on it, you know what I mean? Nobody ever finishes something. Right. They start like a project out long, you know what I mean?
Right. So it started, you didn't start the project?
No, I didn't start the project.
Yeah.
Danny McGee is the guy that did start
So
the
he's
project.
the one that sat around drunk or something one night and said, I want a street ride, a fire truck.
A fire truck is what he said. That's what it commented out there.
Well, maybe he did that when he was like 9, because that sounds like something I'd come up when I was 9. Let's street ride a fire truck.
Oh yeah, let's make a fire truck.
Well, I'm glad he got it started, and I'm darn sure glad you got it finished. Tell me some of the things you had to do to it.
No, it's a 2011 GMC 3500 chassis. It's sitting right over on it. Duramax, Allison, everything is, you know what I mean?
Dashboard and
the dashboard is
not
dashboard's original. There's no airbags on the vehicle. That's the way it sits. Is what it sits.
Yeah,
right
I mean
there.
no safety airbags. Sometimes
No,
when they do those, right? Yeah.
No, there ain't nothing in here but a steel dash.
Right, I got you. So it was the chassis of a 3500 and then the Duramax of the 3500.
This set the body of the fire truck. This body after it was finished, just set it right over on it, fabbed everything where it bolt up, hook up.
Yeah.
She's ready to go now.
How hard
She's
was
driver.
that? How much work was
Oh,
it?
they did it a lot of times. Body on, body off, body on, body off. You know what I mean? A lot of man hours in this thing.
What stage was it in when you got it?
Well, they didn't have most of it done. Some of the stuff, you know what I mean? Just little. We had to do little stuff. You know what I mean? It wasn't nothing major.
Right. Was it painted?
Yeah, it was painted.
Interior?
The interior was done right there. The interior wasn't all in. Most of the interior was just setting in. You know what I mean? So we had to finish bolting, clipping, just get everything lined up right. You know, worked on the hood, worked on the fenders, get them lined in. You know, we added some felt around it. You can see right there because it was a, you know, stuff like that.
Between the fender
you see,
and
that right there. I put that
side
in there.
panel.
I just made it look cool.
Yeah, no. It
Worked on the lights. None of the lights worked.
Are those the original
blinkers,
lights?
That's right.
They have blinkers? I thought those were off something like modern. Holy smokes!
All the blinkers work. Tail lights you've seen. Yeah, the tail lights are aftermarket tail light. Well, you know, you've seen the lens in it, but they're the real arms. We just changed the lens.
Right. Wow. What other fabrication work?
No, that's just like I said.
The bumper.
The bumper. You know, everything is fabbed on this truck. You know, the front bumper, the rear bumper, the rear fenders has been widened. You know what I mean? That's all been fabbed. And like I said, Danny, man, he's a fabber, but he's a quiet fabber.
Right. Well, I'm glad he had this idea.
Oh,
and then he said Big Oak helped you get that bumper
Yeah, Big Oak, you know, the front bumper was a little too big. It's kind of more like a Mad Max. Looks like a snowplow kind of to me, you know what I mean? It was hard to maneuver around, speed breakers you couldn't cross, stuff like that. And I called Will one day. I talked to one of his workers, and Will got involved and took the bumper off, and Will said, bring it up here. And we brought it up here. We cut 3.5 inches off the bumper, you know what I mean? And the bumper, after we cut it, weighs 347 pounds.
After you cut it?
After we cut 3.5 inches off of it.
So like the running boards and the fenders, they're all
everything's
fire truck?
Everything's fire truck. It was original fire truck. We just extended the fenders a little bit.
And then what do you got, a super single in the back?
Got a super single in the back right there. Fuelie built a set of 24s plus on the rear right there. They built a single wheel right there instead of had duals on it.
And then you got a 5th wheel in it?
Got a fifth wheel in case you ever want to pull.
Yeah, because this thing will work, I would think.
It's a workhorse.
Duramax,
It's a driver. Now,
that chassis doesn't know what body.
No, it don't know what's on it. It weighs 8,149 pounds.
Ooh, man. How long has it been done?
It's 97 inches. It's been done probably for about 4 or 5 years.
Wow.
It's just really never been out. Let me just say that.
Yeah.
So this is the second really debut, and this is the most people's ever going to be able to see this is here.
Right. That's World of Wheels Birmingham.
World of Wheels of Birmingham. That's right. Good people, good show. So we, you know, we've had it out little mom and pop shows here or there, just drive
local cruising.
Yeah, just local, just you know, day deals and drive it to a show and drive it home.
And you said all the emblems and all are original.
That's
you didn't have them re-chromed.
No, you can look the GMCs, everything right there. It's real stuff. It's been polished and tried to keep all the originality parts like that on the truck.
Right.
You know what I mean? The top part of the bed, you know, it's all been cut and fab. That's the top part of the fire truck bed. Everything just been
no kidding.
Everything.
Wow. No, it looks like a real pickup truck, man. Yeah, no kidding, man. The tailgate works like a real truck.
Everything works.
Man.
All the windows got, which is good. It's got AC on it now, so.
Yeah, right on. And I love something's got vent windows still in it.
Yeah, got vent windows, got the sun visor on the front, on the outside.
Right. Adjustable.
Adjustable, still
right
function. Yeah.
And high-end custom interior.
Yep, that's right.
Well, dude, I think you nailed it, man. What's its name?
We call it the Beast.
The Beast. That's a good name for it.
The Beast right there.
You going to have it out at some shows this year?
Oh yeah, we're going to tour. This is what we're going to tour this year. We'll do a bunch of shows this year. This is what we saved this far was this year.
You know where this truck needs to go? Cruising the coast.
Cruising the coast.
Yeah.
I'm there every year.
There you go. Bring this, baby.
I was there.
Because this will be a rock star cruising the coast.
Oh
man.
yeah.
And I love it when something shows up that like, well, that's my buddy. I already shot that January,
Yeah, we do the cruising the coast every year. Yeah. We always got something different every year to cruising the coast. Right. We try to take something that we can drive and have fun, the AC, and it's not a real beast hot rod. You can actually drive it and have fun in traffic in town. Cool. Real cool.
Yo, and this is a 1950 C64.
C64 GMC.
All right, dude. Awesome, man. I love it. Thanks so much.
Good to see you, Scotty, man. Appreciate you taking time, and y'all do a great job out there.
My pleasure. Man. I'm going to get out and shoot some more in your collection because I've seen some pictures. I want to see some more of this stuff.
Yeah, you're welcome anytime.
So there you go from the 2023 World of Wheels Birmingham, a 1950 GMC 6400. Used to be a fire truck, now it's a street truck known as the Beast. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.